Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make the on-screen UI widget here, which is a procedurally generated border with a transparent outer and inner UI widget. And I'm making this tutorial because when I looked online initially, all I could find were solutions about ways to import images with transparency in them from GIMP or whatever photo editor you have into UE4 and create a border that way, or pre-baked solutions in the marketplace were to create this border effect, and those solutions were just way too much, and all I needed was the simple border effect that you have on the screen here. So let's go ahead and show you how to make this. Okay, so I'm going to delete everything I have. Okay, and so it's a really two-part setup. First, you need a material, and then you need a widget. Start with the material. Let's take it from the standard material type over to user interface type, making sure we have translucency. We need a radial gradient exponential. Let's hold down 2, left click, hold down 1, left click. Just start typing this in here for feedback. And switch the radius. And there's a circle. And we want to subtract from that. So let's put this guy over. Subtract. Well, we get nothing because the two radiuses, radii, are the same. So let's reduce this down to that. And because the radius is a little smaller, it subtracts. And let's make sure to pipe this into opacity as well, because everything black we want transparent. Okay, save. Go ahead and open up our widget. Border type. Let's pull that material in. Okay. Drag it out there. And here's where the magic happens. We switch it over from draw as, from image type to box, and switch the margin over to 0.4. And it just kind of pushes it to the side. See, so 4 is kind of a nice number, and we can church this up slightly. Something like, and just to complete it for demo purposes, let's widget save everything, compile, save everything, and there we go. It's not a complete solution for your text UI needs, but just for this quick order that can be used in any widget that's procedurally generated. Here you go, and good luck on your UE4 projects. Thank you.